Okay, itty bitty munchkins. We're chugging some pop here. No burps. Okay, so I'm gonna go put you right here against this fire hydrant.
I can't gonna run. That tail has something good. I have to poop so bad.
It is cold too. Yeah. We are cold. Molly is not a cold one. I'm not even halfway done.
Straight up, I'm gonna puke.
Oh, I have to burp. Right here.
Oh, no, I'm gonna puke. I'm gonna puke.
Something pops out of there. We want it. Phone's staying there. No, it's not. I'm grabbing it. It's probably coyotes. Go, 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 go. Wait for that urge to go down.
She's running.
She's running a crap.
She's running. Amen.
You have to be in the video.
I'm gonna poop so long.
I'm about to puke. I'm not gonna puke. Hopefully. Let's hope we don't puke on pizza. Oh no. Oh no. A booty. A dude, should we go over there? I feel it coming. You hear the wind? Oh my bottle, wait.
I think we're cracking out.
Ellie. The bottle, the wind. Okay, let's go. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, deuces, guys. This is gonna be a short one, but a good one. We gotta go.
A little bit.